The Quran depicts Zulkarnain as a significant figure, with interpretations suggesting he could be an extraterrestrial being from another planet. This perspective invites deeper exploration of his role and existence. Moreover, YajojMajoj is prophesied to emerge near the Day of Judgment, sparking concerns about their potential ramifications for humanity. Their anticipated actions are characterized as both catastrophic and overwhelming. In the discourse surrounding Zulkarnain, the debate over whether he was a prophet or a wali-ullah reveals varying interpretations of religious texts. This distinction has significant implications for understanding his authority and actions. Furthermore, the contrast between spiritual and physical journeys stands out, especially in relation to the travels of Rasulullah and Hazrat Suleiman. This highlights the multifaceted nature of their experiences. Additionally, the video addresses the misconception that wali-ullah can perform miracles akin to those of prophets, prompting important questions regarding the nature and validity of such claims. An analysis of black holes is also presented, challenging the logic behind their gravitational effects while exploring the existence of celestial beings in the context of these narratives. The journey of Zulkarnain is crucial in this discussion, as scholars debate whether he was a prophet or a wali. Central to this dialogue is his role in safeguarding the community. Interestingly, the construction of the wall made use of stones rather than the commonly assumed iron and copper. This innovative method not only prevented rust but also ensured long-lasting durability. YajojMajoj's inability to scale the wall represented a formidable barrier. Their eventual breach marks a significant development in the narrative's progression. The historical significance of the Darban fort is underscored, as it links past events with contemporary beliefs about YajojMajoj. Its construction serves as a testament to the blessings of the Prophet. Crucially, the difference between ocean water and freshwater is essential, given that YajojMajoj's survival hinges on accessible water resources like Lake Tabaria, rather than the saline ocean. Finally, current water scarcity in Israel and the depletion of Lake Tabaria highlight real-world implications of these prophetic accounts, underscoring the urgent need for sustainable resource management.